While exploring Sardinia, we came across this absolutely amazing vintage hotel that's restored to its original state as a passion project by a Sardinian couple, Cristina and Giovanni. The hotel is located in the city of San Pantaleo on the main piazza. Where to even begin, guys? This place is a masterpiece. But let's chill down at breakfast first, or should I say, tasting some Sardinia's delicacies. Giovanni and Cristina serve breakfast at their rooftop terrace. And you don't get to just eat the food, you get the full story of where each cheese recipe comes from, who made it, and which Sardinian house made which jam, who prepares the best sweets in town, of course. To top it all, Cristina makes great cappuccino, while Giovanni draws you up a custom trip plan best suiting your personality. Leaving the main building, we enter their latest addition to the family, the newly added rooms in the neighboring building overlooking the piazza. And in one of those special rooms, we booked our stay. Let's see what it's like. All the furniture pieces in this room are vintage, collected from inside the island. But the mattress, of course, a comfortable new memory foam that is. And the red armchair has a special story. The ceiling frescoes were restored by the couple themselves, as all of the walls have been covered by layers and layers of wallpaper and paint. Tiles in our room are also original, but needed to be rescued from under a pile of poor designs, says Giovanni. The only thing new to this room is the bathroom that substituted a former kitchen, if I recall correctly. This door, that was my enemy. It let all the noises through, but such a fabulous piece. Can you even resent them? I couldn't. Welcome to the vintage decor of the hallway. I immediately fell in love with the mirrors. Let's sneak a peek to the other rooms. This hotel is a collection of unique, individually created rooms for antique lovers and those with the pursuit of discovering through Sardinia. And that is what we call soul. I hope you enjoyed our time at Piazza San Pantaleo in this beautiful old apartment. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which places you'd like us to visit next and which apartments to review. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye!